Are you struggling to make sense of complex processes, workflows, or data relationships? It's time to bring clarity to your data. Nexus from PowerGraph empowers you to build powerful, interactive visuals from the ground up. Start by defining the building blocks of your map. Create custom entity types, like stages, tasks, or decisions, each with unique shapes and colors to represent different elements in your process. Then, define link types to clearly illustrate the relationships and flows, choosing styles, weights, and colors for maximum readability. Now that you have entity types defined, you can move on to creating the entities that will become nodes on your visualization. First, enter a name. You can add a description and then choose a corresponding entity type to define the shape and color for that entity. Once you have created your entities, you can bring your process to life. Start by adding a root node to your canvas, then intuitively build out your map by adding successor nodes. Whether it's a stage in our new employee onboarding process, a specific task, or a critical decision point, Nexus makes it simple. Connect your entities with the link types you defined, clearly showing standard sequences or conditional branches. You can easily build out complex flows, step by step, creating a visual representation that perfectly matches your process. Now we have created a complete process map. See how we can pan and zoom. We can easily expand or contract the structure at any node. We can use the filter to show any paths that contain a specific entity. Or we can use the highlight filter to show the locations of a specific entity anywhere on the entire visual. Learn more at PowerGraph.com or get a trial on AppSource.com.